Okay, time for another video. It's been a while since I've made a video. It's been a while since I've done any picking. Anyway, a couple of weeks ago I received this in the post. Got it from an eBay purchase, a Burg-Wächter Alpha Titan. Nice big heavy lock. Like I say, I got it a couple of weeks ago, but I've only got round to having a go picking it today. I picked it and I'm quite disappointed about how easy it was to get into. Having said that, it takes €0.5, so it'll be quite easy to take the €0.5 out and put something else in that's a little bit more challenging. In it at the moment, how I received it is a 5-pin Iseo €0.5. I don't know if you can see that. There's the bitting on it. Now, normally with Iseos, I don't have that much difficulty normally, but there can be a nice fun pick. This one, on the other hand, is slightly different to others that I've picked in that it tends to fall open. Let me just show you this. Let's try to open it. Open it. It's open and it's key retaining. Lock and key out. Anyway, let's just see if I can get this up on the vise. I think that will do it. And we shall begin. Like I say, it's a 5-pin Iseo that seems to just fall open when you poke around inside. See? Open. Hardly any effort at all. Just yeah, open. But I'll take the lock apart. Just a second. So at least you can see how this Alpha Titan goes together and whatnot. Right. So bear with me a second. When I got this, it came with instructions. I'll show you them in a minute. Actually, I'm doing this wrong. Just tighten that up a second. I think I've got to take this off first. I can get that out. Oh, this is not working very well, is it? We'll find something else that will do that. Let's try this. Maybe I won't take this lock apart. Ah, there, I got it. Flat screwdriver. It comes out of there. Put that all the way up there. I'm struggling seeing this. I've got a problem with my right eye, and it just makes things a bit difficult for me at the moment. Right, I'll think that now. There we go. And there, like I said, is a half. God, I'm struggling with this. The €1/2. Apparently, with the right little bits and pieces, you can put a Scandinavian oval in here. So let me just get one. Not quite sure. Yeah, that fits in there, but you need a little adapter. If you look on the instructions, what I've been doing is in regards to a €1/2, but for the oval there's this little adapter here and this here, which I've not got. Anyway, let's continue with what I'm doing. So that's that. We've got this thing. Oops, I've just locked it up. I didn't want to lock that up because I've got to take this out the front because I can't get it out the back, which means I've got to pick it again. Just bear with me a second. Not going to plan at all, this. Right, let's pick it again. Yeah, it feels harder now they've got it out of the padlock. God, what's gone wrong now? Like I say, it's been, well, it must be about 7 weeks since the last time I picked a lock. And today I thought it's time to make a start. And maybe it's wrong day to decide to video. Start again. Nice. There we go. Start again. Right, like I said, I want to take this out the front. There we go. Let's just move this camera up a bit, it's getting in my way. That's that. How long has this been recording for? Bloody hell, 11 minutes. Oh well. It's mainly from me as opposed to anybody else. I think it might have been an idea to take this off, Orson, before I picked it again. I think I might have it there. Got it. I just need to be careful of that pin doesn't go flying. Where is it? Oh, it's already gone flying. There it is. Bloody hell. Right. Let's put that to one side for now. There. Right, so we got that there. You can get the pins out now. One standard. Two is a spool. Do you know, I don't even feel any spools in this. Three is a spool. 4 is a spool, and I'm sure 5 is a spool as well. It tends to be with Iseos. And there we go, 5's a spool. Well, have fun getting this back together again. Right, and the key pins, I'm assuming they'd be all standard. Standard, 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 and standard. Actually, anyway, let's just hold that up a second. I think that's focused, I can't tell. Anyway, what I should have tried before I took all them key pins out. Just put them back in again. I just want to see why it was so easy to pick. And they all look like pretty long key pins, so I've got a suspicion that they're all sitting close to the shear line. Oh no. Oh, sorry. Where's the key? Key in. Key out. I think what was happening, just looking at the way they're sitting in there, just as you put the pick in, they all seem to be quite sequential, getting deeper and deeper and deeper. So as you put the pick in, the pick itself just brings them all to the shear line all in one go maybe. Anyway, that's enough of that. That's the Burg-Wächter Alpha Titan, and that's everything for now. And thank you and goodbye.